More than 20 inches of snow fell in New London during the blizzard and a little more on Wednesday morning. This has given plow drivers a handful of work to do, but as snow accumulation grew, so did neighbors' concerns about their roads. People in New London have finally gotten a break from the early week winter conditions. But even though the snow is done falling, residual effects still linger, like concerns about what drivers are calling poorly or untouched roads. Megan Haynes has been dealing with the aftermath for days.
It was really tough living on this hill. Lots of people couldn't get up it. We had a FedEx driver that got stuck over here, so it was crazy. But I actually didn't see a plow come through until like maybe 30 minutes ago.
According to Haynes, the first plows hadn't come to her road for more than a day. She was able to work from home, but her neighbors weren't afforded the same luck.
I know for my older neighbors, with the plows not coming through, or they were only plowing one side of the road, it extended the driveway by 10, 15 feet. And so it was very difficult for them when they had to leave, and they would have to call in someone to do their driveway.
It wasn't just Haynes' street that dealt with severe road conditions from the storm. We were sent several images of unplowed roads on other streets in the city. These images are from someone who lives on Georgetown Road, showing a street no one could drive through due to the snow. The sender said her neighbors spent hours digging their cars out to go to work. We also were sent this picture on Orchard Street, showing unplowed roads after the storm. Some neighbors have reached out to the Department of Public Works to try and bring the situation to their attention, leading to some roads being cleared, but concerns still remain.
I honestly think it was just a lot of snow, and it happened so fast. Last time, I know right away they were out here, and I don't remember if the snow fell as fast as it did this time, the last snowstorm, but I'm just glad that there is some plows coming through today.
Yeah. The city of New London said that removing the 2 feet of snow has been a very challenging process. Right now, they're doing lifting and removal on all of the streets, and they say that that process could take between 3 to 5 days to clean the streets properly. In New London, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.